If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making PITHA MUGA OLI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are, so for the whole spices, take some bay leaves, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper and black cardamom in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about 2 tablespoons of that. Then take 1 inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor. 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Then take half a cup of green gram and soak that in some water for roughly about 2 hours. Then discard the water. About 1/4 cup of grated coconut. About 1/4 cup of Nadi Badi. And if you want to know how to make that, then you can check my episode on that. I will give a link in the description box below or click on this above link. Take 3 to 4 spine gourd, half of arbi, that's saru, 1 green brinjal or hara bengan, half of yam, that's desi aloo, 1 raw banana, 1 radish, that's moola, 3 to 4 long beans, 1 cup of pumpkin or kaddu and 3 to 4 pointed gourd, that's parval, and some salt to taste. Now traditionally these are made in earthen pots, so that's why to make this I am using the earthen pot, but you can make it in any pan that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. Now place it on medium flame and first add all the ghee, followed by the powder, crushed ginger, salt and the nadi badi. Now we need to saute these for roughly about a minute to roast the powder and the ginger. Now to this, add all the vegetables, followed by all the moong, grated coconut, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, then fenugreek leaves or methi, which is roughly about 2 cups, and 2.5 cups of water. Now over medium flame, cover it with a lid and let it simmer till almost all the moisture is gone and it's completely cooked. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad PITHA MUGA OLI. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.